Happy Accidents, a Serendipitous English Lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and somewhat poetic English phrase, happy accident. This term is not only fascinating in its use but also in the story it tells about unexpected positive outcomes. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Happy accident refers to an unplanned but fortunate event that leads to a positive outcome. It's often used when something unexpectedly good happens by chance, rather than by intention or design. For example, imagine you are trying to bake a chocolate cake, but you accidentally use salt instead of sugar. However, it turns out that the salty chocolate cake is delicious and becomes a new favorite. This is a classic example of a happy accident. Let's look at some everyday scenarios where this phrase might be used. 1. Artistic creations. An artist might mix the wrong colors but ends up with a beautiful new shade. This is a happy accident in the art world. 2. Scientific discoveries. Many scientific breakthroughs, like penicillin, were discovered by accident but had beneficial results. 3. Personal experiences. Missing a bus and then bumping into an old friend you haven't seen in years can be described as a happy accident. Using happy accident in conversations is quite easy. You can use it to describe any situation where something unexpectedly good happens. For instance, I didn't plan to attend that seminar, but it was a happy accident because I met my future business partner there. Finding this cozy cafe was a happy accident, as I just took a wrong turn and stumbled upon it. In life, not all accidents are unfortunate. Some, like the happy accidents we discussed today, bring joy and positive changes. It's a beautiful aspect of the English language that captures the serendipity of life. We hope this video helps you understand and use happy accident in your conversations. Remember, sometimes the best things happen unexpectedly. Keep exploring, and happy learning!